What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm filming a college day in my life. It's going to be a busy day. In about 15 minutes I'm gonna leave. I have supplemental instruction for anatomy and physiology, and so I just printed out like the study guide for that, and then I am gonna go to that. And I have a few hours before college algebra, so I'm planning on going to Target because these are not my new glasses. If you can't tell, these are my old ones. My new ones are sitting very crooked on my face, and I think it's because my ears are literally uneven, which is not uncommon, but I think that's why they're not sitting on my face right, so they definitely need to be adjusted. So in between classes, I'm gonna go to Target Optical and have my glasses fixed. Then we're gonna go back to school and I'm gonna go through my college algebra study guide, and I'm gonna see what questions I am unable to do on my own, and then I'm gonna go to college algebra, take my notes, and then go to this big study sesh that my school is having tonight for college algebra, where I can sit down with a tutor and just like go over the ones that I don't know how to do. If you guys have been watching my vlogs this semester, then it's no surprise that college algebra has been like the most challenging thing for me in the world, and I am just hoping that I can pass. I don't even care if I get a C, I just want to pass. I ordered this cardigan that came in yesterday and I am literally obsessed with it. It is the prettiest color block design ever. I'm currently working on a blog post right now that's going to be all of my favorite fall fashion finds from Amazon. I shared all of them last week on Instagram stories, but now I'm kind of working on putting them together in a post. And I was also thinking about doing a YouTube video because I've seen some other YouTubers do it and the videos turned out really good. It's really fun to like share items that you find. So I've actually ordered some items based on other people's YouTube videos that I have found of things they've shared. So I don't know, I haven't decided. Comment below if you think I should do a video just sharing like my Amazon finds. It's always the biggest gamble deciding what I want to pack for the day. Definitely not bringing this today, I don't need it. I do need my calculator and my college algebra binder, pencil bag, planner, and then this is my notebook for anatomy and physiology, which is actually literally almost full. Like, you guys, my notes goes all the way until over here somewhere. So I only have this much left, and I'm wondering if that's going to be enough or if I'm going to have to get another notebook for A&P. I thought this one subject would be enough, but the chapters are really long and I make extensive notes. Okay guys, I just parked and I just filled up this little Starbucks cup with some water. I'm really trying to stay hydrated today. Today's the day. I'm gonna drink all of this and then I'm gonna fill it up at a water fountain. Ew, why does my hair stick to everything? I forgot to tell you guys that I bought a gel UV lamp like online because I wanted to start doing my nails myself, because I feel like I spend way too much money getting my nails done, and because I like to change my color almost every week, or at least every other week, like I never go more than 2 weeks. I spend like more than the average person because yeah. So I thought I would try to start doing them myself, and I did these ones myself, but I don't love the color. I wanted it to be more brown and it ended up being more pinky, but I was going for like a neutral color for fall. But now I kind of want to do black because like we're in October now, we're coming up on Halloween, so I'm gonna look for some black gel polish. But yeah, I'll probably do that after the supplemental instruction. I need to go. Finished my SI session and it went really well. I always get so much out of going to those. The review worksheet like just pulls all the important stuff out of the book so that I don't have to go through the notes and get overwhelmed. I love it. And I just got to Target. I have my glasses and I'm about to go into Target and finally get these fixed. So the next time you see me, I'll have my new glasses on again. It's currently 12:10, so I still have a little bit of time. I'm gonna go to Sally Beauty Supply and see if I can find a black sparkly gel nail polish, because I just really want to do black for Halloween. And then we're gonna go to Panera Bread and have lunch and work on my math stuff. Sorry I did not film in there, but I did find the exact polish I was looking for. I've never used this brand before, but the cashier said that it's a really popular brand for gel polish. And you can see it's just black, sparkly, perfect for October. Okay, I just got my lunch and I was gonna go to Panera, but I kind of ran out of time. Every single time when I leave campus on Thursdays in between my SI session and college algebra, I come back and I can't find parking. And I kid you not, I got a parking ticket last week because I parked in the grass because there was nowhere to park. And then there's been other times where I've had to literally skip class because I cannot find a place to park. All the parking garages are full, and then we have a gigantic lot. So I decided instead of coming at 1 o'clock and only giving myself 30 minutes to find parking, I wouldn't have time to go hang out in Panera. Like, I need to get back here and secure a parking spot. So luckily I did, and it's literally right by the main road. It is the last spot. So I am going to be walking like 2 miles to get to class. That's a bit of an exaggeration, but it's gonna feel like that. I got Taco Bell for lunch. Obviously it was not the original plan, but I did get a 7-layer burrito, which these are actually vegetarian. And mine's actually vegan because I didn't get the sour cream or guac or anything. But yes, I can't wait to eat this. And I got hot sauce too, so I'm not gonna make this a mukbang and eat and talk about the food, so I'll talk to you guys after I'm done eating, and actually probably after class, honestly, because I'm just gonna eat this and then head up there, so. Home now, and I am about to update our calendar for the month of October. I have our old one there, and I just like to put all of our appointments every day that Chad works, every day that I work, and then we just kind of have like our month out of view, and we just keep it in our kitchen. And I color code everything because I'm OCD and having grapes as a snack. Hey guys, I'm about to start doing my nails, and I thought I would show you guys like my little setup. So I found these and bought them immediately because I thought this was such an amazing thing for me to have. They are gel soak off like little silicone things, and in the inside there's like, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like little ridges so that when you like pull it off of your nail, it like pulls the gel off too. So these are really great, and it comes with a large one for your thumb. So I got those, and then I just am using these cotton rounds. I'm gonna soak them in a nail polish remover, and I'm going to remove this nail polish. And I just cut them in half because I didn't really need a whole one for each one. So I'm just gonna like coat it and then like stick it in the silicone thing. And then I also got this pack of nail files. These are like the buffers, and then the obviously regular filing sticks. And then here's some of my nail polishes that I got from before. And then my base and top coat are from this brand. This is all from Amazon. And honestly, like really shockingly surprised by how great it turned out. I'm gonna get a basket from like Home Goods or something to keep all my nail stuff in, because before this, I literally don't own any nail polish anymore. I haven't done my own nails in forever. But this is a little UV lamp I got, and I am so excited about it because it's actually like full size, just like at the nail salon. And it's got like the timers for 60, 30, and 99 seconds. And so far, it has worked really well for me. I will link all the stuff that I bought to start doing my own nails in the description in case you guys are interested. How do you guys like my new manicure? No, but seriously, these are so much nicer than doing foils. Like, it's just easier. And now I'm just gonna hang out for 10 minutes. And I still have access to my other hand so that I can like play on my phone and stuff. And then I'll do the other hand. Okay, it legit took me like an hour to get that gel nail polish off my nails, so at least we know it's good quality and it holds up well even though I did it at home. I think I'm gonna need to get one of those drill nail files or get like pure acetone or an actual like gel remover, because it just took way too long. I had to keep soaking them and filing them and soaking them and filing them, and finally I got it off, but I don't have enough time to do my nails because I'm going to drop in tutoring for college algebra, so I figured I'll just do it when I get home tonight. Update, I found a spot in the parking garage, and I'm only up on the 2nd floor instead of like the 5th, so I can't believe I found a spot. I packed this Laura bar, but then I remembered the drop-in tutoring tonight is like one of their study sessions. They sent out an email saying it was like a study session tonight, so there's gonna be like a bunch of tutors and like free food, and it's kind of like an event, which is great because I need help, but I also like to eat. So gone to this before. Like, my whole car is shaking because that guy has to do 90 in the parking garage. I also grabbed an iced coffee because I never got one earlier. This is really dark. Wow. I mean, it's almond milk, so I'm not expecting it to be like white, but normally it's a little bit lighter. But that's like my everyday drink. It's just an iced coffee with 2 pumps of pumpkin and almond milk. Sometimes I get an extra shot, but I didn't today, in case anybody was wondering. I'm 15 minutes early, so I'm debating on whether I should walk up there now or if I should wait. I don't know. Either way, I'm not gonna be able to vlog in there because there's gonna be a lot of people, so I will talk to you guys after the tutoring. just got home from tutoring and I was telling Chad that was literally the best tutoring experience that I have ever had. I was with this one tutor, his name was John, and he did like such a good job teaching me. I don't know, he's like really good at teaching concepts in like a very basic way because I'm like really slow when it comes to math. Anyway, Chad is cooking us spaghetti and meatballs for dinner and it's super late. We do not normally eat this late. It's literally 8:22, but Chad went to his jiu-jitsu class and then obviously I went to the tutoring thing, so we kind of had to have a late dinner tonight. And I'm like all spunky and full of energy because I had that iced coffee kind of late, so I'm ready to do some math now. I'm just casually scrolling my Instagram and I come across this new Naked eyeshadow palette. It's called Honey. How much is this? I feel like I really need this. Actually, my birthday is in a few weeks, so this would be a really good birthday gift. Where'd it go? Oh, it's only 50? Okay, that's definitely what I'm asking Chad for my birthday. Here's the final product. Having some water with it, and these breadsticks are amazing. We get them from Publix. They literally taste like Olive Garden breadsticks, I swear, don't they?
Yeah.
They're so
pretty
good.
close, actually.
Yeah. Simple? It is. I thought it was spaghetti. It is spaghetti. Anyway, I just finished doing my nails and they are a really pretty color. Obviously I'm not like perfect at it yet because like I really honestly haven't done my nails since I was like really young, but I really like the color that I picked for Halloween. You know, it's October now, so don't judge me too much. They're not perfect, but I think it's a really pretty like sparkly black color, which is exactly what I wanted. It's 10:15 now and I'm about to start doing some college algebra homework, and then if I have time I'm gonna work on my notes and then hopefully go to bed because tomorrow is gonna be a long day. So if you guys are not already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. I post videos every week and I'll see you guys in my next one.